let's do some small account options trading. I'm thinking I want to go long the 280 call on SPY. Tomorrow's expiration. I'm in. Don't know why P&L isn't showing up. Alright, you can see my net lit changed. Let's try and refresh. I'm up 2%. For some reason my P&L isn't showing up. Give me a second. See if I can get it worked out. Alright. Here we go. I'm even, up 50 cents on a $62 position. Down 50 cents. You can see over here, I'm long the 280 call. Tomorrow's expiration on SPY. Gonna need this guy to move up to 280 in order to make a decent profit. Paid 60 cents for it. Down 7%. $2.50. Excuse me. Trading on Tastyworks. I find Tastyworks to be the best options broker out there. Very honorable brokerage. There will be a link in the description if you're interested in opening up an account. It is a referral link. They got a decent referral program. It's not the greatest, but you know, I'm trying to get that trip to Chicago. So sign up. But these guys smoke Robinhood. I mean, Robinhood's okay with their options, but these guys, you know, put a hurting on Robinhood as far as options trading. There's no PDT in a cash account. Okay, your money settles the next day. can literally trade every day. You're not supposed to trade your cash multiple times a day, but I've done it on occasion without any uh, consequences. Not suggesting that you do it, but if you have to do it every once in a while, it's not a big deal. I think you get 5 warnings a year, then you get restricted for 90 days. But we're up. Well, we were up 2% there for a minute. Let's go SPY. Go back to that high a day. Trading options on a small account is kind of difficult. It can be done. Your gains aren't going to be huge. I mean, let's say for example I make 20% on this trade. That's only $10, $12. I mean, it's a $60 position. 20% would be $12. I'm not sure what the delta is on this position. I would assume it's 50%. So if this thing were to go up $1 from my entry, I would be up $30. That would be nice. Doesn't look like it's going to do it. Right now we're down 10%. You have got to, when you're trading options, you have to know when you're wrong, and you got to cut it off before it gets bad, especially in a small account, because I mean if you take a 50% loss, I mean your account's gone. So it's 1:30 p.m. on a Tuesday. Probably not the best time to trade, but it looks like there's a trend. I mean, there is a trend support here. I see these bottoming wicks, and I feel like this thing wants to at least try for 280. At least try for 280. Let's go. Down 10%. 13%. Not good. Could have been more patient with my entry. Down 15%. See, I wanted to make 15%, not lose 15%. This thing looks like it's getting ready to drop out. Might have to cut this off. Let's see if we can hold that opening range. Maybe the 4th time it's tapped it. Probably not good. Down 20%. I'm gonna cut the video here and we'll check back in a few minutes. Just trying to keep the video short. Alright, checking back in here. SPY's moved back up to last night's close. I am down $4, 7%. If this thing can break this, moving into the 2 o'clock session and take out this high here, I feel pretty strongly that we'll come to 280. My profit target will be 280. looking to get 20% off this trade. Don't want to stay in it too long. Maybe an hour. Let's see. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut it here, and we'll check back in a few minutes.
I can move.
All right, so the 2 o'clock session is starting. I'm up 5% on this trade. Profit target is 280. I'm gonna try and we'll see how it acts when it gets to 280. I might try to stay patient. We took out this high right here.
All right, guys, go short. CNBC is saying go long on the market.
Well, the market just started popping.
Yeah, it says go long.
97.50. I was gonna say short SPY, be like Roberto, and then you yelled that.
So it's popping into the 2 o'clock session. We want to see this candle close out strong and the next candle to move up. It's trying to take out this high from 115, 279.65. Still got 3 minutes on this candle. I'm up 5%, 3%, 2%.
Tess, are you going short as well?
No, I just took profit.
Why would you go short right now? Do you see the volume that just came in? It took out the volume from all the way back to 11 o'clock today.
That's
Buyers.
a fake out trader.
Buyers.
That's people FOMOing in.
Yeah, well, let them FOMO my option up to 280 and I'll take profit. Let's go.
Yeah,
Still got 2 minutes.
Uptrend. Once we break this,
it's been trending up all day. I mean, there's no reason to short this thing unless it comes back and breaks this opening range, which we had a low over the lunch hour at 279.25. If it breaks that, then yeah, short it. But until then, this thing's trending up all day. Buy the dips.
Saying
I got in early on my call. I should have waited 10 minutes and bought it down here at opening range. I probably would already be up 15% or so.
oh, they're saying going. Oh, they're saying buy puts.
They're saying to buy puts on CNBC.
Yeah. It says buy at 41, 2750 puts, and sell at 30, 2700 puts. With expiration date of April 30th.
So they're trying to do a long-term short on the pullback that's definitely going to come pretty soon.
So they're expecting within the next 30 days. Oh no, hold on. We're in February.
Since when does CNBC give out trade alerts?
Right? It seems like the times that I saw when they were predicting Bitcoin, it did the opposite.
It always does the opposite.
They do that so the retailers could go in and buy their shares.
Buy everything they're trying to get out of.
Right.
Alright, so I'm going to cut the video here and we'll check back in another couple minutes and see how we're doing. Okay, so this trade is taking entirely too long. It's just going sideways. It's not really working. We do have a squeeze to the upside here, as you can see. So I'm going to give this trade another 10 or 15 minutes, and if it doesn't make the move to the upside, I'm going to just get out of it whether it be green or red. It's trying to push up here, so hopefully this thing can make the move up. 280, let's go. But again, in an effort to keep the video short, I'm going to go ahead and cut it, and we'll check back in again in a few minutes. Alright, so here we go, only a few minutes later. And we're trying to break this 2 o'clock range. There it goes, breaking above. So generally when you see something break the 2 o'clock range, it generally tends to trend in that direction for the rest of the afternoon. So we're up 5% roughly, which of course in a small account is only $3, so it's nothing substantial, but 5% is an amazing profit to turn on a trade. But I'm gonna sit in this thing. My target's 280. We'll check back in again. Oh, here we go. Up 8%. Here we go. Okay, so we might be getting ready to exit here in just a minute. Let's go. Test, you're in profits?
Yep.
Nice. Trading in that Top Step account?
Yep.
Nice. I'm up 6.5%. Come on, 25 cents to target. Let's go. Up 8%. Waiting for the squeeze to open up, man. Get this thing really popping.
Yeah, I didn't realize it.
Cash, yes. I have the web browser open and I'm trading on my phone. But I have the web browser open just so I'm making a video so that viewers can see my position, my P&L. But you can also have the desktop platform open, the web browser open, and your phone. You can't get logged in. Why can't you log in on your phone? Come on, 25 cents to target. Let's go. Cash, are you using the right password? I was up 10% there for a second. Come on, let's go. There we go. 10.5%. Come on. 20 more cents to target. Let's go. 12%. 10%. There you go, SPY. Let's go. 20 more cents to target. This candle's closing out strong. Maybe that next candle will push up that 20 cent to my target. There we go, breaking 80. Nice.
Dude, I hesitated on that, see.
I'm up 13%. Come on, 20% target. Let's go. Nice. 18 cent to target.
go.
Up 13%. Keep driving. Squeeze just opened up. I'm gonna take this thing to 280. And I'm gonna try and be patient to see if it can move to the high of day. Maybe. I don't want to stay in this trade for too long though. I'm gonna cut it here and we'll come back and check again in a couple minutes. All right, I'm up 17%. 10 cent to target. Let's go. 18%. 9 cent to target. 19%. 6 cent to target. $14 on a $60 positions. Not bad. There we go. 5 cent to target. Come on. Push it. Just a little more. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and lock in 19%. I'm out. You can see right here. So we got in at 60, got out at 71. $11. So 18% gain roughly. And you can see we're pulling back again here. So that trade took a little longer than I like, but 19% on a trade is excellent. I mean, obviously I would have liked to have received 50%, but the market's slow today, so you can't be greedy. You get 20%, just take it, be happy with it. Small account, you got to grow it one step at a time. But thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to do some more options videos in the future. I'm just kind of a little bit more focused on the stocks right now, but there will be more. Stay tuned. Click subscribe, click like, join the Discord, check out Tastyworks. There's a referral link in the description below. See you guys tomorrow.